Most people think quitting their job to start a beauty business is risky, but the truth is, most people have never actually done the math. Because when you run the numbers on a brow business, something surprising happens. You realize you don't need 20 clients per week or even 10. In most cases, you only need 3. 3 clients a week can replace a full-time salary. And the crazy part is that most people stay stuck in a job they hate simply because they haven't ran the numbers. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact math you need to calculate your freedom number. Then I'll show you how many clients it actually takes to replace your 9-to-5 doing brows. And once you see these numbers, your exit plan becomes a lot clearer. Let's break it down so you're planning instead of guessing. So before you can leave your job, you need to know one number, and that is your freedom number. Your freedom number is the income required to replace your job. It includes all your personal expenses, your savings, and your business costs. Everyone's number will be different. Now, when it comes to your business costs, I did make a video a few days ago. I will link it in the description that discusses how you can start your brow business for less than $1,000. So you'll need to calculate that number, and it'll probably take you a few minutes to do this. But once you have that number, then you can do the next steps. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use $5,000 as your freedom number. So your expenses plus what you want to save every month plus the cost of doing business, we're going to say is $5,000. Now let's look at how many clients it actually takes to hit $5,000 a month. And I'm going to put up a chart to help you visualize this. So according to Google, the average price that artists are charging per client is $400 to $600. I think this is on the low end, but we're going to use $500 per client for this particular example. So your freedom number is $5,000 and you want to charge $500 per client. 3 clients per week is $1,500 per week, right? 500 times 3 clients, that's $1,500 per week. $1,500 per week ends up being $6,000 per month. So already you are over your freedom number. If your freedom number was 5,000, your brow business is generating $6,000 part-time per month. Okay, this is only part-time. 3 clients is part-time. You could do that on your days off if you wanted to still keep your 9-to-5, which you are. You're still keeping your 9-to-5 for this example. Okay, now let's run the numbers for a higher income goal. Let's say your freedom number was $10,000. If you're charging $500 per client, you would now need 5 clients per week in order to make $2,500 per week, which would then be $10,000 per month. I would still consider 5 clients a week part-time because it's not taking you 8 hours to do each client. Okay, so this is still part-time work for full-time pay. $10,000 a month is $120,000 a year. That is definitely a full-time salary. Okay, working part-time. You could do 1 client per day. You could do a couple clients on your days off. 5 clients a week is not difficult to obtain. But even if the math works, it's not time to quit just yet. I know you want to, but it's not time to quit yet. Before you quit your 9-to-5, I suggest having a 4 to 6 month exit plan. The exit plan consists of saving 4 to 6 months of expenses, continuing to build your clientele, and slowly reducing your reliance on your 9-to-5. I suggest waiting until your brow income becomes consistent. Then you'll know exactly when it's time for you to quit. I've had students quitting their corporate jobs and replacing their 6-figure income within 3 to 6 months of training. But here's the reason why most people fail. People don't fail because the numbers don't work. They fail because they don't know how to get clients. Trust me, I know. Because it took me 6 months to attract my first paying clients when I first started, because I had no clue what I was doing. But once I figured it out, I was able to book 53 clients in 1 month. If you're serious about building a brow business, but not sure how to actually get clients or price your services, I'm hosting a live masterclass called Your First 10K Brow Plan. In that masterclass, I walk you through exactly how to attract your first clients, how to price your services, and how to build a $10,000 a month brow business. If you'd like to join the masterclass, the link is in the description. If you desire to replace your job with a skill, start by understanding the numbers, because once you know your freedom number, the path becomes a lot clearer. I hope you see that you can replace your 9-to-5 income if you want to. My name is Amina, and I will see you tomorrow.